Recording started.
It's a glorious spring morning here in Sydney. It's about 23, 24 degrees Celsius. It's sunny, there's a bit of cloud cover. Sydney's not in lockdown yet. I guess it will be sometime soon. So while we have the chance, we're going to take the dogs up to the leash-free park at Balcombe Heights. It's only a short drive, so we're going to put the dogs in the car and head up to Balcombe Heights.
Love this part that I get so excited with this. Oh, they're about to wash. But she just lives around here, she said. But she's looking fragile.
Busy.
Yesterday it was long the other day, wasn't it?
I'm in Balcombe Heights Estate, that's in Balcombe Hills, Sydney. It's Saturday the 21st of March. Just after midday. It's a beautiful day, about 24, 25 degrees Celsius. The park has just been mown, so it has that nice fresh cut grass smell to it. Families are here. Quite a few families are here. It's a Saturday, so people are home from work, kids are home from school. There's not as many people as there normally are, but there still are some families. They're exercising distancing, social distancing. They're keeping apart from each other. But there's still quite a bit of activity here. It's good to see. Don't know how much longer this will last. We'll see. Okay, I'll turn the camera around and show you a bit of what's happening. This is the leash-free park on my left. My wife's up here with our two dogs, giving them a run around. I've just had an ankle operation, so I'm not very mobile at the moment. I'm sitting in the shade. But you can see with the rain we've had, the drought-breaking rain we've had, the park's looking quite nice. Just swinging around now to the children's playground. You'll start to see a few people, a couple of families over there. Everything looks very nice. One of the ovals down in the distance there. past the last post then?
Yeah, okay. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Not yet.
I'm away from it.
Why don't we go for a drive and I'll show you where the end is, yeah?
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're driving pala, I didn't ask. This is like normal. Yeah? Okay?
Yep.
With the boot?
Yep.
I mean, I saw him yesterday.
Oh, that's right.
That's fine.